sometimes there are fake followers that might follow your Instagram account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage all these fake followers. They'll be filtered by Instagram itself. There's still a limitation, but at least you get to filter the first round. And also, I'm going to show you as well how do you check how many percent or how many fake followers a certain Instagram profile have. So you can do it on your own account, or you can check other people's account if you are trying to engage them for any like Instagram collaboration and things like that. I want to make sure all of their followers are real. This video will be two things. I'm going to talk about these two things. Now, before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so they can get more tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump into my phone first and let me show you how you can manage this kind of spam followers. And then after that, I'm going to go to my computer, show it to you as well, and also to show you which platform that you can use to check how many fake followers that you or other Instagram profile has. Let's go. Alright, so how are you going to manage your fake followers? Now, first of all, you go to your Instagram account. I'm going to show you my phone first, and then you go to the profile, click on bottom right, go to the three lines on top, all the way down. You should be able to see follow and invite friends. Click on it, and then you can see here flag for review. You can turn it on and turn it off. So what happens is that when you flag for review, that means when they follow you, you get to see the list as potential spam. Alright, let me show you how it looks like. So now let's go to my profile again, click on followers. You can see here flag for review. Click on that. So these are the two people that is actually not an actual account. I know this is not an actual account, the Sean Xia one. So you can remove manually, or you can just click one button on the top that mentioned remove all. Click on remove all and remove. Yep, so it is that simple. So if you have a big account, this will be a good way for you to manage all those spam followers. So now I'm going to go to my computer. I'm going to show you whether it is doable in Instagram computer or not. And also I'm going to show you how you can check the fake followers on Instagram. Now I'm in my computer. So just now I show you how you can manage all those fake followers in your Instagram app. Alright, so I'm just going to show you the documentation so you can see that this product feature may not be available to you yet. I actually do not have this feature in computer. I checked it, I find it. So basically when you go to here, more, and you click on settings, you should be able to see it somewhere here. Alright, just below the hidden words, text and things like that, but you can't see it in my computer. You might have it depending on which region you are, but okay, this is where you do it. Just go to more at the left side and just click on settings. It should appear here. For computer, for my side, you can see that it's not available to me yet, and it's usually available for 1000 followers on more, but I've checked with my other accounts, it's available as well. So just to make it clear on that, and this is how you check all the flag counts. Okay, now this is how you want to manage unwanted followers on Instagram. How do you check whether there is bots in your Instagram account or those followers that are not real? Okay, so now let's go to Google. So same thing as well. Just type fake followers in Instagram. I tried a few, and I think one good one is Modash, but of course there's limits since it's free, right? So just go here, just type in your username, for example like my, and then just check the profile. Okay, just I've tested once. The first one is usually free, the rest you need to pay, right? But let's register quickly. Yeah. Alright, and now I'm registered for free, so you can just go to open my profile. Remember, you can only log in with your business email, so this is very challenging, but I think you can have once a day to try to use it to see. Let's open my profile, and you can see I have 23.82 fake followers. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, but let's go directly from the website here. Go to Modash. So follower check, just type in here, check profile, and you can see here. Alright, I like this one more than the others because they have a lot more information. Okay, if you were to use, for example, like Inbit, also you have to check after a few times, but I'm just going to put the link down below as well so they can have a look. You can see that it takes some time, right, compared to Modash. You can see Modash, I have how many percent fake followers, the engagement rate and things like that. So this I have 1.8 thousand followers. So yeah, so this is how you can check. You see in Inbit, right, it's not so clearly stated how many real followers. That means 768 inactive followers. So you can use multiple programs if you need to, but I would highly suggest for you to first turn on the filter, then after that just check how many of your fake followers. Alright, that's it. If you like what I share on how you can manage your unwanted followers, and also to check your fake followers in Instagram if you have, or you want to check other people's as well, give me a like and also subscribe to this channel so they can get more tips like this. Thank you, and I see you next time. Goodbye.